Luxury SUVs are super fancy, top-notch cars that many people love. They combine cool features, strong engines, and lots of space. Big brands like Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Lamborghini, and Mercedes-Maybach make them even more exciting. Today we'll explore the top 5 most luxurious SUVs worldwide. Let's talk about how we picked these amazing SUVs. Firstly, we considered the price. These SUVs are expensive because they're super luxurious. Next, we look at the features. They have to have amazing tech, fancy materials, and smart designs to make the list. Oh, and the brand matters too. We focused on the famous and respected ones known for making great cars. Lastly, we thought about what makes each SUV special. It could be speed, extra comfort, top safety features, or even options for customizing the car just the way you like it. We have used all these things to find the top 5 luxury SUVs that truly stand out and define luxury on the road. Number 1. RollsRoyce Cullinan Black Badge. The RollsRoyce Cullinan has a special edition called Inspired by Fashion. This edition comes in cool colors like lime green, gunmetal, wildberry, or arctic white for the exterior, and you can choose depending on the inside color you like. Another edition called Fusion offers colors like military green, burnout gray, forge yellow, or tempest gray. Though the exact price isn't out yet, it's likely to be similar to the Black Badge edition, which starts at about 465 grand. Only 1499 of these unique Cullinan cars will be made for the whole world, so they're pretty special. Number 2. Lamborghini Urus. Sure, let's break it down into simpler terms. Meet the Lamborghini Urus, a fancy SUV that loves to be in the spotlight. There's a special type called Performante, which is like Urus on steroids, especially when taking turns. Now let's talk about power. The Urus, especially the Performante version, is not just flashy but super strong too. Think of a really powerful engine like a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It's like the heart of a lion, roaring with 656 horsepower and a twisty force of 627 pound-foot. That's a whole bunch of power, making it not just stylish but crazy fast too. If you want to ride in this speed monster, you will need about $260,000. Picture pulling up to your school in this beast. Everyone's eyes would be on you, right? Number 3. Bentley Benta. Let's talk about the Bentley Benta updates for 2023. They've made it longer by 7 inches, giving you more space inside. It's like making a small room bigger. A lot of people already love this car, and it's the one Bentley sells the most. They've made it even better to make you feel like you're traveling in a really fancy way, with seats that can lean back and lots of cool gadgets to play with. They used to have a very strong engine, but they've changed it to one that's still very powerful. It's a 4-liter V8 engine with 2 turbos, making the car go really fast with 542 horsepower. Now about the price, they haven't told us exactly how much it will cost, but a regular Bentley Benta starts at $167,000. This longer version with all its cool upgrades might be a bit more expensive, maybe over 200 grand, so it's definitely a luxury. Number 4. Range Rover SV Serenity Long Wheelbase. It's like the fancy version of the tough Defender. This SUV has a new look that's more for the city than off-road. It's not just any SUV, it's made to impress people who usually go for really posh cars like Bentleys and Rolls-Royces. Inside, there's lots of space, and guess what? It even has a built-in cooler for champagne. Yes, you can keep your champagne cool while you enjoy the luxury ride. The Range Rover SV is all about looking classy and elegant, with its unique Corinthian bronze roof and accents. And the price? It's about 200 grand, making it a special choice for those who want both style and comfort. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz AMG G63. This car has a strong history. It started back in 1979 as a military vehicle, but now it's like a superstar in the SUV world, a symbol of luxury. The G63 is tough looking, with a square shape and a strong body. What makes it zoom is its powerful twin-turbocharged 4-liter V8 engine. It's like having 577 horses under the hood and a massive 627 pound-foot of twisting power. That's a lot of power for going fast. It uses a 9-speed automatic transmission, and when you hit the gas, it can go up to 137 miles per hour, making it feel like a rocket on wheels. The price? Well, it's expected to start around 200 grand, but because it's so cool and everyone wants it, sometimes the dealers make it a bit more expensive. People are willing to pay extra just to have this amazing car in their garage. So there you have it, the top 5 fanciest SUVs that scream luxury. They're like rolling palaces on wheels. From the Bentley Benta to the RollsRoyce Cullinan Black Badge, these SUVs are the kings of opulence. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS and the Lamborghini Urus aren't far behind. They've got power and luxury in one stylish package. And oh, that RollsRoyce Cullinan Black Badge, nothing beats its luxury. We hope you enjoyed this luxury SUV tour. Tell us, what's your absolutely favorite luxury SUV? Or did we miss one that you think should be on this fancy list? Share your thoughts down below. Your opinions drive our passion for bringing you the best in the world of luxury. Thanks for coming along on this ride. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you're always in the know about all things luxury and more. See you in the next video.